Hi guys, I'm not even gonna say welcome back to my channel because this is the last, welcome back. But this is the last episode of my pregnancy series. It went by so fast, can you guys believe? Today I'm 20 weeks and getting some sun. My belly has grown so much. Hi guys. We just came back from the high risk ultrasound. Surprise my brother. Fazer surpresa pro meu irmão. 1, 2, 3 e push. Ah! I felt like it was yesterday that I was filming the first episode and I got to share so much with you guys through this journey. I got really personal. Let's take a run through. I got to share with you guys how I discovered the pregnancy. I got deep and emotional about all of my fears. We share the sex reveal. We share the baby shower. I played games with Icaro. I got pie on my face. I played a game with my mom. I got to interview moms that inspire me, I got connected with friends, and this has been such a special journey. And to share it all with you guys and have you guys engage with me through it was so amazing and so meaningful. So I want to thank you guys. And it's funny because when I started doing the series, one thing I knew was that the last episode was going to be the baby room tour. I might shoot another video, me going to the hospital and the delivery. I don't know when it's going to happen. This baby can pop out anytime right now. But the last video I wanted to be a tour of his room, which was so special, creating and decorating and thinking of the ideas. I know you guys are waiting for this one.
Trust me, it's gonna be legendary.
All right, so let's go to the baby room. Can I even get out of this chair? Guys, I'm basically 9 months. Let's go. Imagine my water breaks in the room. You never know what can happen.
Follow me.
All right, let's go into baby Coelho's room. And just one heads up, it took us 3 weeks to get this room done. It was the last thing I did. It was very last minute, but we got it done. All right, we're missing a few things, but welcome to baby Coelho's little paradise, which has been my paradise, honestly. I come in this room every single night or every single day. I sit on the chair. I already imagine him on me, and I imagine everything. I'm daydreaming inside this little room. But everything was made with so much love, and I'm gonna tell you the inspiration behind it. So I wanted to make it really about nature and have nature energy. I feel like, nature not only inspires me, but it disconnects me, it reconnects me with my own self. That's how I grew up in the middle of nature, and I really want baby Coelho to have that, bring him back to our hometown in Brazil and ride horses. So I really wanted a wallpaper that translated to nature. So I found this one, which is a bunch of trees, but it's trees, but at the same time it has animals, but in a very minimal way. So you see little birds, and there's bunnies down there, but it's clean at the same time, and it's light. And you see here that we have his name, but we're gonna have his actual name here, which I don't want to reveal yet. Don't kill me, guys. But I think I'm only gonna announce the name when he's born. But we have Coelho here already, and I'm gonna leave the credit, okay, where we did the name. I'm gonna leave it out here for you guys. I know you're gonna ask. But one thing I can say is his name is gonna have an A. And his name is gonna be with caps letter. I don't know, it's gonna be placed here or there. I'm not gonna hint, but we're gonna put his name here, so it's super cute. And I'm still waiting for the whole bedding of the crib to arrive. We're doing it with Trousseau, which is a Brazilian brand that I love, and it's gonna be all personalized for him. But we have bunnies inside because Coelho, fun fact, Coelho means rabbit, and of course he needed his little bunnies. And the crib I love. It has a bunch of details. It's very open. I thought it was a very different crib. So it's like an acrylic material with wood. So the wood really Goes well with the wallpaper, which are the trees. This big bear, I'm gonna leave it here on the floor. It was a gift from Dior, and I love it. And I can already picture him like on top of this bear, or sleeping with the bear, or just playing with the bear. It's so cute. I had a bear, big bear, when I was young, and I used to sleep with it. It was a panda. It was black and white. My mom gave it to me, and it was like my favorite thing in the world. So I wanted him to have like a big animal. And the chair, I think it's one of the most important things for a nursery, is to have a comfortable chair. But I didn't want just a basic chair. I wanted a chair that was very comfortable, so I researched it. I'm gonna leave the credit for you guys as well if you wanna know where it's from. But this chair is super, super comfortable. They didn't have it in this color, but I had it customized. And guys, look, imagine me here breastfeeding, and I have like a very green view here in the window. It's very calming, so I love this little spot. I already sit here a lot. And I think it's where I'm gonna spend most of my time, right? I love this chair so much. I had this Dior blanket for a while. I think I got it in one of the Dior cruise shows that I've been to. And it just matches so perfectly with his room. So I just put it there, but it's something I already had. And the curtains, I decided to do like sheer, kind of like linen curtains, so that I can do blackout, but I can also with the other curtain, or just leave this sheer if I want to close it or not. But I think it just warms up the room having a nice fabric curtain. And then the carpet, I wanted to have the room more like light, since we have wood touches. So the carpet is just like a natural finish carpet, just to brighten the room. And I love this little horse. As you guys know, I have a huge history with horses. I grew up riding horses, and we have a horse ranch now that we're building in Brazil. So he definitely needed his little horse so he can practice before we go to Brazil. So I got this, and I was so excited. By the way, the whole decoration of this room I got help from my interior designer, Maris Rafa. Would leave her credit as well. If you live in Miami, she's amazing, and she was able to really help me out really fast with this room. So I knew exactly what I wanted, but she definitely helped me like get the things to arrive in time. I love this little like it's for his clothes, his dirty clothes, but it's like a bear shape, and in a natural finish as well, which I think goes really well with the room. And we got just decoration pieces. We needed a bunny, of course. And I also have a little story with the bear, which I'll tell you guys later. So I wanted animals everywhere. So here's his dresser. I think he's gonna be here a lot as well. So he's changing. We got this dresser, and I thought it was really cool that it already came with like the shape, this wooded thing on top that fits your changing thing. I don't know what all the baby name stuff is yet, but I got this on Amazon actually, this like sheets, and it's so comfortable, and it has like a little animals on it, which is beautiful. And here, wipe warmers, all the stuff I'm gonna need, a bunch of products from Pipettes, which is a brand actually, guys, that I discovered that it's amazing for babies. It's all natural, organic, and the package is beautiful. It actually matches his room, so I love that. We got these diapers here. So I want to just show you a little bit how we organize. I had an organizer help me with my house, and especially the baby room. So everything is organized to make my life easier, especially when you have a baby. There's so much you're gonna be, when you're changing him, you need everything to be practical. So I got an organizer to help me, and just seeing the little outfits already here makes me like want to cry. It's so cute. So I'll also put information about the organizer here for you guys, which is Jennifer. And then we go to his clothing section, and Jennifer, who's helping me organize, she said that I'm a minimal mom, which made me proud, because these days, you want everything for your baby, and you want to shop for everything for your baby, but you have to realize how fast you lose the clothes, because they grow so fast. So I really wanted to be minimalistic. I had help from a professional talu, which like gave me a list of things that I actually need so that I didn't overbuy. So everything you see is kind of what he's gonna have in the first months, because I didn't want to just buy clothes and then have to give it away. So it's minimal and I'm proud of it. Okay, so here's his closet. It's an open closet. It was already this color. I thought of painting in white, but I decided to just, since it's a boy and I want this wooded like vibe to the room, I decided to keep it in natural wood. And we hang all of his clothes here. I mean, guys, the maternity little newborn outfits, they are like a peanut size. And I got gifted from like Brazilian brands who makes crochet, and I'm in love with everything. Look at this. Oh my god. There's so many cute outfits, and I got these like from Amazon that you can separate by sizes, and it makes it more organized as well. These little tags. Jennifer, the organizer, helped me out with that as well. But all his little outfits are here hanging, and I put his shoes over there. He doesn't have a lot of shoes yet. I know the first months he won't really wear shoes, but shoes is one thing I'm definitely gonna buy once he starts wearing shoes. But guys, look at these little outfits. I'm already imagining all the photos I'm gonna do of him. I don't know if I'm gonna be a mom that's like exposing the child so much, or I'm just gonna keep the photos to myself. I don't know what type of mom I'm gonna be yet, so wait for it. You never know. But I'm definitely gonna be putting him in all the cute outfits. So here's more drawers, like organizing things, like all his beanies. So cute. And more baby stuff. But yeah, the room is not fully done yet. There's still certain decoration pieces we're waiting for. We're waiting for a lamp to put up next to the chair. It's arriving this week, and also we're putting shelving right here, and it's still arriving. But yeah, and then we're gonna put the name up. So the name you guys are gonna find out when this baby is born. But literally, guys, I'm about to pop anytime soon. He's a very active baby. He is very big and very fat right now, so he can really be born at any time by the time you watch this video. So yeah, this is my room tour. I'm gonna sit in my favorite spot and say goodbye to you guys because it ends here. So sad, but so exciting at the same time. You know, I'm like kind of ending a chapter here with you guys, which was my pregnancy journey, but I'm about to start the most special phase and chapter of my life, and the most beautiful one, which is being an actual mom and having him with me. And I'm gonna cry again. I can even think about it. But yeah, and stay tuned. I might share more, I might not, but I'll say my goodbyes here and my thank you. Thank you for being with us. We love you, and we'll see you soon. Beijo. Come, baby Coelho, come.